Today is Buddha Purnima. Wish you all the Buddha Purnima and the holidays to be used for nurturing the hair and skin, also your heart and soul. And this is here the hibiscus flower paste, besan, and curd. The hibiscus flower paste, once you use it, you will forget your shampoo. It has all the cleansing effects, also prevents hair falls, dryness, gives also prevents the split ends also. I have tried and it has been for 20 years. I have not used any shampoo. Sometimes when outside my space there is nothing to use, I have to manage with shampoo. If I have no, if the things are not available in a very emergency situation, but simply if you are with Rita powder and methi powder, anywhere you go, you can use that powder. If other hibiscus flower and the cord are not available anywhere, you can simply have the powder in the powder form. You can take it anywhere and with soaking with water you can use very very easy to use. So hibiscus flower has also cooling effects on your head, on your scalps. It also helps to regrowth and regaining the lost hair. And the basin has very cleansing effects, very at the pores to open again. Like you use the soda and sabons, soaps on your skins and hairs. You can use it on your skin, and after you should apply dahi card, which works as a moisturizer. And also on your hair you can apply some, so it also the natural things can uh, repair and heal your skin and hair. If you have in a long day you have tortured your hair and skin with some coloring agents and going to the beauty parlors and so much chemicals and so much dirty things in the name of fashion, if you have already applied and your skin and hair are just crying and you have no such solution, and for the solution even you go for next chemicals that are harmful to your hair and skin. Only the solution is and दादीज नुस्खा, दादी का नुस्खा से ही ठीक होगा सब, पुराना वाला ancient method only can works. So apply, the things will uh, change and the repair will happen definitely. Have some patience and try these natural essence for cleansing your hair and skin.